Hello, hi, welcome back to a quick trading update. Right now I have this chart of Nifty 50 and this is an hourly chart of the index. So, well, the view has been playing out in our direction, and I continue to hold this view that we are in a larger impulse. So what do I really mean by saying that we are in a larger impulse? It just means that Nifty has come out of that corrective zone of let's say 1 year, and then we are heading higher towards making higher highs and higher lows in the coming future. So my theory was ABC was done, and then you did this impulsive move. Let's label this as 1 or A. Let's just label this as wave A. Wave A of larger degree. So we have completed wave A, and we have it seems as of now that we have completed wave B, and we are heading higher in wave C. So what are the targets that I'm looking at if we were to head higher in wave C? That would be based upon the move or the length that we did travel in wave A. So a very basic idea would be to have the same length as the target in wave C, but I feel that there's a chance that we might start to extend on the higher side, because there's a lot of we have been stuck in this range from a very long time, and we have not been able to break above this 26,000 to 26,100 zone. The moment we close about 26,000, I would like to include the possibility of us extending on the higher side. So if we were to extend, the next target which I look at is somewhere around 26,889. Let's round it off to 26,900. So that is roughly 900 points higher from here. So this is the best case scenario that I'm looking at, that we did A, we did B, and then we are going to head higher in wave C towards 26,900 according to Fibonacci. So for that, what do we really need for that to play out? So the first confirmation would be a close of the previous swing high, which comes around 2610. We have closed above that. Yes, we have closed above that. So that's a technical confirmation that Nifty has completed wave B and we are going to head higher in wave C. So the next set of resistance comes in around 26,100. That's I think a very naive observation, and the moment you close over 26,100, technically you have broken out, but a real technical breakout would be a close above the wave A high, which we have closed. And the levels which I would really like to look at is the 20 moving average, which comes in around 25,900. So just in case we were to fall 100 points lower from here, that would act as a strong support, and there's a possibility that if we fall, it would start to pick up from here. Doesn't mean it has to, but if it wants to, it can. So the upper end of the Bollinger Band comes in around 2655. That is an intraday resistance, and we should be mostly closing above 2650 and 26,100 to see a clear-cut move on the higher side. As of now, I'm holding all of my long positions. I think that was it for the video. Thank you.